Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Roy Waters with the My Bag, My Home, Homeless by Choice tour. This is James, exhausted.
Other emergency response vehicles. You see on some of their faces when they're walking by camera and just looking up. And I can just imagine what's going through their heads. Like, I'm standing here with like a 25.
You didn't snore though.